Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius College. In this video, we will learn how to export from Google applications. Google's suite of applications offers a myriad of convenient alternatives to otherwise traditional applications. In many of these applications, you can share it with other people so that they can gain access to it as well. Often, however, this is not suitable for handing in assignments, particularly if the professor is requiring a certain file type. In this video, we will go through the exporting process for the three major Google application alternatives: Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets. Before we continue, I want to make it abundantly clear that although Google Suites offers many alternatives to Microsoft programs and the like, if a professor says to use a particular program or use a particular file type, you should definitely use that. Reason being that A, they will likely demonstrate something in that particular program, and B, although Google applications can export to those file types, there can be mistakes and issues that arise from exporting, the most common being formatting issues. Even if your professor only requested a specific file type and not that you use a specific application to create it, it is often good to check these exported files for any issues before handing in the assignment. In short, check with your instructor before you download and then check again after you download the file to ensure that it has the correct formatting and is working properly. For written assignments, professors may want a docx or portable document file, PDF. Before exporting, check to see if they have a list of file formats that they want, or email them to see what they require for submission. In Google Docs, which I already have open, go to File, Download, and select Microsoft Word for a .x file. For a PDF file, follow the same steps. Go to File, Download, but this time select PDF document. Again, when you download a document, you're going to want to check that the formatting is correct. You may also get a dialog that asks you where you want the file to be downloaded, or it might just get sent right to your downloads folder. Since I did some very basic editing in this document, this seems to be correct. For slideshows, a professor may want a PowerPoint presentation and/or a PDF as well for easy access later on. In a similar process as exporting from Google Docs, go to File, Download, but this time choose Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. Or if they require a PDF, select PDF document. I'll go with Microsoft PowerPoint. This dialog will open up. I'll click on Save File. And I can check my Downloads folder. And open up my file. This seems correct, and it's good to go. The final application is Google Sheets. For Sheets, you may want to download this file as Microsoft Excel file or as a comma-separated values CSV file. If you choose PDF, it will download PDF with all of your values, but you will not be able to edit these values in Excel or Google Sheets after you download it. Following the same process as the previous two examples, go to File, Download, and choose Microsoft Excel.xlsx. Or you can choose comma-separated values. I'll click on Microsoft Excel, open with Microsoft Excel, and you can see that the formatting seems to be correct for this very basic Google Sheets. We do recommend, however, that if you use formulas, you download the file as an Excel spreadsheet and then double check to make sure that those formulas are working correctly in Excel before submitting. For most of Google's other programs, the exporting system works the same way and have similar options, so we'll not go over these. Also note that if you place certain files into a Google application, it may not get exported properly. For example, a GIF will become a still image in most cases. If you have any questions or issues, please contact the ITS Help Desk at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thank you for watching and have a good day.